Hi guys, I hope you're all having an awesome day today. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag, the tiny little adorable little bag for the month of March. So if you guys want to find out with me what I got in my little bag, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this little bag is the $13 a month bag, and you get 5 sample and full size sometimes beauty products with a really nice retail value. It's one of my favorite bags to get. I always say it because I feel like you get a lot of value out of these $13 bags. And so let's take a look at the little card. So this month's theme for Ipsy is Power Moves. Super cool, cute little color theme. And the bag, I actually really love the bag. It seemed at first like I would be like, what? I don't really like that when I saw it online, but I love it. I feel like they had 2 options. Let me show you. I have the Ipsy app opened. I hope that maybe I'll include a shot. But they have the 2 color, I guess maybe there were 2 options that you could get. Discover or Power Moves, maybe. I'll look that up. I haven't seen anybody else's videos or posts about it. But either way, I did get this, and I'm glad. I like this one more for some reason because I feel like I have so many pink bags and pink everything. Power Moves, super cute. So I love the blue, then I love the white with the pink writing, but then my favorite part that makes it stand out even more is the green zipper. I feel like it makes it a little bit more unique. And I said in my other Ipsy unboxing, I don't like to critique their bags too much just because I feel like they make so many bags that I feel like it's kind of hard to have so many new ideas for bag designs. So I really like it. I think it's cute, and I love the quality of these bags. Let's take a look at my products. So this month, the first thing that I got here is the commodity paper, commodity fragrances. I guess it's the little perfume. Yes. Let me look at the card. This card actually gives you info, which is cool. Now, the other bag doesn't give you any info on the card. So it's a commodity paper in the market for a new fragrance. It's a woodsy scent that will have you hooked at first sniff. And this is the deluxe sample version of it. The full size costs $105. Wow. All the little sample perfumes that I get from Ipsy, I put them in my bag and I always use them up. So I don't mind getting perfumes. I love that. I don't want to spray this on me. I don't even need to spray it to smell it. It's very strong. It smells nice, but it's strong. I feel like it's almost unisex. It's not bad. It smells good actually. But if you're looking for something like floral and soft, this is not it. This is more like a little stronger, but I do like that. Okay. Next is the First Aid Beauty Hydrating Eye Cream with Hyaluronic Acid. I was excited to get this, but it's so tiny because I love their all their skincare products. Their moisturizer is my favorite. Look how tiny. Look at it compared to my pinky finger. Super tiny. I guess you get like maybe 1 use out of it, but I guess if I like it, I can go ahead and repurchase. So it's not that bad. It's only a $13 bag, so I try to be positive. So it's a hydrating eye cream, and it's just adorable. I feel like even if I go through this, I use it up, I'm gonna keep it because it's just so adorable. Okay, next is blush. I love their small makeup products. It's a half-caked in bloom powder blush in Freshly Squeezed. Their tiny makeup products I love. I use them in my travel makeup bag all the time, and they're just so cute. Look how adorable this is. Very pretty color, and oh my gosh, it's a very beautiful color. I think it's perfect for me. Very deep, not well, yeah, like very, I should say bright. Yes, but I feel like a little bit might go a long way. Let me swatch it. Okay, see, it's very bright, very colorful, but a little bit might go a long way. I like that. I feel like I don't have something this color, so I'm excited to give it a try, especially because it's so small, and if I end up loving it, I can just carry it with me in my travel makeup bag. What's next? Next, I have a brush from Hip Dot. It's a Hip Dot shading brush. I love this because it's really pretty. I love getting brushes overall, but it's like ombre theme, like the packaging. I think it's really pretty, and this is just an all-over shading brush, and I could always use some brushes. I love getting brushes in this $13 bag because it's an affordable bag, and I feel like brushes I'm always gonna use, so why not? And the last product is Sophia and Mabel Small and Mighty Extreme Volume Mascara in black. So just a little mascara. Oh, there you go. I'm not gonna open it because I have a lot of mascaras opened and I don't want it to go bad. But I don't mind trying it. I feel like a couple eyeshadows from this brand in this small bag, and I also have gotten highlighters, and I love their formula. Super creamy shadows, very nice powder formulas, honestly. So overall, I got a Small and Mighty mascara, a shadow brush, a perfume that smells really lovely, a beautiful blush, and the tiniest, most adorable eye cream. And I think I got an awesome bag overall, honestly. I got makeup, I got brushes, I got perfume, I got eye cream for $13. But anyway, yeah, that was my little bag this month and I'm very happy with it. Let me know in the comments, what did you get in your glam bag for the month of March and how did you feel about it? I hope you're all having a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.